Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to sell your crypto on Binance P2P trading and withdraw it to your local bank or e-wallets. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Binance Exchange, check video description for the sign up link to register and get 10% features trading discount each time you trade. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Binance Pro account. Under, you tap Wallets tab. And on the upper part, you select Funding. Please make sure your crypto is already on funding account. Tap on P2P. By tapping here, you can select whether you want to use P2P, which is manually selecting the advertiser you will be trading to, or Express, which Binance will be the one who will select the best offer rate at the moment. Usually, I choose Express for hassle-free transactions. Select your fiat currency here. I will use PHP. Then you choose Sell tab. And under, you select the crypto you want to sell. You can sell USDT, BTC, BUSD, and many more. But for this video, I will sell my USDT. To add a payment method, you tap here. And then select Payment Method. Here, you will see all the payment methods you have added. To add, just tap Add a new payment method. Then here, you will see all the recommended options based on your location, or just click All Payment Method. And you will see all the available options you can use. After you have added your payment method, you can proceed by entering the amount you want to sell. Once done, you tap the Sell button. Here, you will see the total amount you'll get out of your sell. With my 337.25 USDT, I will get 18,987.18 pesos. And underneath will be the available payment options and its offer rates. In this tutorial, I will use my e-wallet, which is Gcash, to receive my fiat withdrawal. Whenever you have selected your payment method, you tap on Confirm Sale. Now, we will have to wait for the advertiser to send the money to my e-wallet, which is my Gcash. You can tap this chat option to message the advertiser to add information.
A few inches later.
After a few minutes, I received my cash out. Now, let me go back to my Binance app and click on Payment Receipt. Select the I have received option and hit Confirm. Verify, and you're done. I've successfully withdrawn my crypto to my e-wallet account. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.